Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset Rockspace AX1800 Extender in very easy steps. So without wasting any time, let's start the reset process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the extender. It is necessary to reset the Rockspace AX1800 Extender when it stops working properly, forgets the connected network, or you can't log in due to a wrong password. Resetting clears all old settings and restores the extender to its factory defaults, allowing you to set it up fresh like a new device. Now connect your Rockspace AX1800 Extender to a power outlet. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes stable, solid light. Find the small reset hole on the side or bottom of the extender. It's a recessed button that prevents accidental presses, so you'll need a paperclip, pin, or SIM eject tool to reach it. Insert the paperclip or pin into the reset hole and press the button firmly. Hold it for about 8 to 10 seconds continuously. During this time, watch the LEDs, they may start blinking or flash all at once, which means the reset process has started. After about 10 seconds or when the LEDs flash, release the button. The extender will automatically restart itself to apply the factory reset. Do not unplug the device while it is rebooting. Wait for reboot to finish. The reboot process can take 1 to 2 minutes. When the LEDs become stable again, it means the reset is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.